Hello, hi, good morning. I'm Amir from Travel Club Travel and Tourism. This is the season to know what is happening in Kuwait and how to come back to Kuwait by any chance. Here we are there for many years, and IATA Travel Agency would like to provide the correct informations, official informations, whatever we get from our airlines and our ministry sources. We are trying to share the correct informations. Here, I would like to share you three important informations is that how you can come back to Kuwait. Number two, what are the formalities? Number three, what is the prices from Kuwait to depart to our hometown? Number four as well, that is about that domestic workers, how can come back to Kuwait as soon as possible. Here, my dear customers and the travelers, number one, the travel documents has to be ready. So four kind of documents has to be ready and handy as well to show to arrival airport. Here, that we would like to talk about the Immune app and mobile ID, Slovenic app and Musafir. This four plus your vaccine certificate, 5 and PCR, 6 and tickets, 7. This all has to be in order. An Immune app, you know very well, on vaccine certificates approved by MOH, you will get Immune Green, and also you will see mobile ID vaccinated. If you don't have mobile ID, you have valid ID, physical ID, it's fine. Then Slovenic app, after arrival, you have to follow this home quarantine so that you have to keep it open. And also Musafir, whatever the travel documents, including the ticket, it has to be posted and updated and kept ready. This is the things you have to follow. Number two, I'm talking about the travel. How can come back to Kuwait? My dear customers, officially, we are waiting for the direct flights to come from Indian subcontinent, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and India. Those countries, peoples, yes, they have to wait, then they have to come. And some travelers, very few travelers, trying their own chance by own risk and trying to travel from Bombay or Kathmandu or Chennai or Cochin and wherever it is. But that is on their own risk, and airport, airlines, travel agency don't take responsibility if denied boarding or deported from the transit areas. Fine. Number three, would like to talk about the departure from Kuwait. As usual, you have to carry PCR, and also if people are going to India, some states need a pass to enter their airport, and some states, of course, they are telling to follow some other documents, and also Air Soeda is one of the documents. You have to upload the PCR and you have to show in the airport wherever you arrived in India. Fine. So what are the fares? I have here one screen sharing. You can see these fares and you will come to know how this fare system is working out. Before that, let me show the screen. This screen is a few weeks earlier released by CGC, Corona Governing Committee. Is approved vaccines and how to come to Kuwait and how the residents can come, and visitors on visit visa. And what are those areas to be followed? Here, Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna, and Johnson Johnson's, those are approved, and those people who have an Immune app is fine. And other than that, any vaccines approved by WHO, like a Sinopharm, like a Sputnik, those vaccines and all who were taken, they have to take one more vaccines in Kuwait airport. This is the formality. And also the domestic workers here. The domestic workers need to come back to Kuwait. They have to follow. There is a program called Bel Salama that they have to wait if they don't have a vaccines. If they have vaccine, they can come as usual as how other travel agencies, how other passengers are coming. Here, number one. Then this is the offer by Travel Club providing to Delhi, Bombay, Chennai, Manila, Cochin, Lahore, Dhaka, Kathmandu, Colombo. Here, why I included all this one city from every corner. This is called the Indian subcontinent plus Philippines. Indian subcontinent means 5 countries. It's Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, and India. So Delhi, yes, from Kuwait to Delhi, by transit flight it is 60 kd start with, and Mumbai 61 dinar, Chennai 58 kd, Manila 295 kd. We're looking for October or November, and Cochin 55 start with, Lahore 78 kd, Dhaka 68, Kathmandu 80, and Colombo 68 with the 2 days quarantine as well. And we have our 2 WhatsApp number 97223799, 97223699. Please send a message and try to get a correct information, or please send your queries through our Facebook. And also we have our numbers in every branch. We have 4 numbers, also Filipino numbers is here. So you can contact them, you can call them, you can get the informations. And this is the one questions from traveler, most of the travelers from India: how can I return back via transit, via quarantine, via direct? Dear brothers, I am telling you, transit, as I told you, the transit by own risk, not by travel agents or not by airlines risk, number one. Because if the documents even in order and arrival and anywhere the airlines not communicated and check-in people doesn't know about Kuwait the rules, what is happening there, and they might deny boarding. Sometimes they are correct. So please make sure that how you are coming, that is 100% by your own risk, not by travel agent's responsibility. Because why I'm telling you, some airlines charging around 500, 600 kd, and some airlines has some technical rules. That rules has to be followed. So those has to be followed, and you have to come. And so where and how we can take a responsibility. This is important. And 14 days quarantine, going any country, staying there and coming back to Kuwait is possible, because those country was banned for some time, and because of this corona, then people are traveling somewhere, and somewhere means green zones countries, and coming back to Kuwait is accepted. So those information, what I'm sharing you is current information. So be careful and be clear on your routes and price, and also the refund. And suppose some tickets you buy in this situation, those are non-refundable. Make sure that even small damages is fine, but all money we're going to lose in this situation is really tough. So make sure, dear brothers, dear travelers, dear customers, you call us. We have a travel club. These are the numbers, and I'm the manager of the office. If you need any help, sure, we are here to support you. Thanks a lot.